Hey, what's going on, everybody? John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Now today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to optimize your setup if you're running out of an SUV. Okay, we can fit 3 guys back here, another guy up here, so you could probably fit 1, 2, you could fit 5 guys in this little setup. Now if you wanted to run if you wanted to run 2 machines, okay, you could put this tote right back here and double it all up. Okay, so you could run a 2-man show right out of your SUV. Now in the front here, we've got our camera equipment. Okay, so we're going to record our jobs and post it on our Facebook page. And then we've got a tripod. Okay, we've got AirPods for 2 guys that want to listen to music. All right, I always like to show a little bit extra for our guys. Now let's go over here. Okay, so in the passenger, everything's nice and clean. Right here, we've got our iPad for our estimates on the go. And let me show you guys, all of the car has got this protection film. Okay, so anything dirty, that just shakes right off. Okay, here you can see right here, everything's nice and clean. And I do have a monthly car membership to where that I can come and drive through anytime and get my car cleaned and get the tire shined. Now let's go back here. We've got a little tow hitch right here, and we've got this nice cargo thing going on, whatever it's called, and we've got our 3.5 GPM. Now you can run 2 of these, but this is just going to be kind of my little setup to do little jobs here and there. Okay, now in this one, we've got all of our chemicals, so we don't want to be smelling any of the chemicals. We've got our gas, our pump sprayer, and 5 gallons of bleach. Now let's come up here. We've got 2 gallons of surfactant, our eliminator. We've got a J-Rod turbo nozzle. Over here, we've got all of our other tips. Okay, we've got our hat, our mask, and back here we've got our gloves. Let me show you guys. Okay, we've got our gloves back there. Now in here we do have a 5-gallon bucket, and there is an airtight lid on this. I might change this one out, but we'll see how this works. Okay, we've got our 18-inch surface cleaner here, and we've got 100 foot of garden hose and 100 foot of pressure washing hose. We've got our wand, and we've got another tripod. So this is basically the setup that I'm going to be running. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this.